Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome. Welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. We're live here every morning for the opening and closing bell. Oh, and I've got sound coming through from there. There we go, muted that. Got 14 screens all around me. Very busy trading morning and every evening for the opening and closing bells. Lovely to have you here. Thank you very much for joining me. If it's your very first time here, consider subscribing and ringing the bell. Everything you see here is real, genuine. It's my real money. We have a real family of traders that support you. We are here to help you. We're not trying to influence anything or sell you a training scheme or anything like that. In fact, we give free shares away. We give free cash away. I have cash competitions on the show, and we help and support each other. In fact, my portfolio has grown, as you can see, up to 54,000. It was 58,000 live on the show over the last 4.5 months. Started all from $5,000, and I don't put any more money in. I just make money from money. Okay, we've got 28 minutes before the bell goes. Let's get straight into the show and look at my portfolio. Okay, first of all, let's go over to the trading screen and you will see where we are right now. So this is where we are right now. We're up today 0.34. I think today's going to be a great day. I'm hoping that Bitcoin's going to take off. All our shares are going to recover. The sell-offs and so on and so forth that happened over at Thanksgiving, the COVID variant, all these scary things, I think we're going to see some recoveries. So let's hope so. Let's go down the portfolio. If you've just joined us, smash the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Come into the live chat. And I see we have a few people already arriving now. We have Alpha. Welcome to you. And here's Sam Hughes, our Elton John tribute artist as well. Wonderful to have you here. Great stuff. The numbers are going up very quickly now. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look at the whole portfolio, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. First of all, here is the main portfolio. It is up. Tesla is up 2% this morning. Absolutely great. How are you with Tesla? Rivian is popping up 2.5% this morning. Huge gains this morning. SPCE is up 0.5% this morning. GGPI is up 1.7%. All those losses are coming back, as I said it would. Lucid is up 0.5%. Robinhood is up 0.68%. Harpoon Therapeutics is flat. It always is. Rolls-Royce down. That's over in the UK, worrying about flights and so on and so forth. So Rolls-Royce down at the moment. Boeing is up 2% this morning. Apple is up nearly 2% this morning. Absolutely great. This is looking very, very good. A lot of recoveries now being made. Evgo is up 2.25%. Sono is up 0.75%. Ethereum is now up 1% today, and Bitcoin is also, let's have a look, up just 0.05% today. All right, we've got some breaking news to bring you. We'll discuss all this shortly. Crypto, of course, Bitcoin climbs back above 57 as well. We'll be discussing all that news on the show today. So it's going to be a great day. We're very, very excited about it. I've got some news for all my team. Lots of stuff to share with you today. Very, very exciting week. This is going to be a massive week for us. We're at 3,700 watch hours. 300 watch hours to go to monetize this channel. Why is that important to you? Because once the channel gets monetized, I will start to earn $1 a day. Okay, that's not of interest to you. But what will be interesting is YouTube will push the videos out more. More traders will come in and learn about this family of traders. And the more we will learn, the more we'll make, because we'll have great people in here. So very, very exciting week. We average about 80, 90, sometimes 100 hours a day. So technically, Wednesday, Thursday, we should hit the 4,000 watch hours. So by next week, hopefully that you'll see a commercial come up at the beginning of each video, which of course you can skip or watch. It's up to you. I prefer you watch it because I might make $1 a show. Who knows? All right, let's bring in some new guests here. YouTuber, brand new person. Hello, I've never seen you before. Everybody, let's welcome a new member potentially. Put down what city you're from, what country you're from, and YouTuber, do the same thing here. I'm actually from Cornwall in the UK. My studio is here in Texas. Smash the like button. Let's get us over the average, which is always 20 likes a show now. Let's get there. We're 11 likes now. Everybody watching, smash the like button, please. Balliser, morning all, morning all. Check out ALB, we shall do that. Rolls Royce, RR is up 2% on the LSE. Thank you, Paul. Julius Caesar, hey, good morning, Day Trader family. I love the fact you use family. That's how I know that my team are really here. Good morning, John Brunette. Good morning, and good morning, Leah, as well. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Everything is looking good. Outside Austin, Texas. There you go. Everyone share your positions. Will Graviton is new as well. We got another new person from Edinburgh, Scotland. I played in the Edinburgh Festival at the George Theatre with this children's music theatre when I was 10 years old. And I love Edinburgh. I've been back there many times. Wonderful, wonderful place. Alpha, Swiss, writing from Bangkok, Thailand. Wow, what a global audience we have today. Thank you ever so much, everybody. Let's see if YouTuber 1 puts his country and city in. All right, okay, we've got just 25 minutes to go before the bell goes. This is going to be a big day today, an opportunity to sell and reposition again. You repositioned last week, you should have done. You bought those cheap shares. Everything's popping up this morning. And take some money off the top, then buy the dips again. That's what it's all about. Or alternatively, you could sit. We've got some breaking news of Bitcoin I'm going to share with you. We'll talk about that shortly. Today you noticed I titled the video Bitcoin. Bit unusual, right? I'm testing the analytics for those of you that want to know. Now then, we had... in fact, let me just have a quick cup of tea. By the way, these mugs, everyone has been dispatched now. They have been dispatched, so they are on the way to you. If you're one of those 10 people that has a mug ordered, you will be, there's 10 of you, you will get they are on their way. You'll be given the dates, but they are now on the way. All right, let's have a look over on the app and let's see what's going on. Everything's looking great so far, just dropping back slightly, look, but we are at 0.36. Okay, fantastic. 2 big announcements to make today. In fact, 3 big announcements today, I suppose. The first announcement is the WhatsApp group will be closed down by the end of the day. It wasn't secure enough for my team. People were doing, there were people getting in, spamming you, making phone calls, all this kind of annoying stuff, and I couldn't add moderators. I couldn't control it, so I discovered what the other YouTubers are using, and that's Discord. A lot better. You've all been invited. I can't invite you again because I'm closing the WhatsApp group down. So you've all been invited, but here is the link to Discord. You do need, because I want it to be very, very safe and secure, you do need to hang around for 10 minutes because it stops the spam and the idiots. So if you want to be part of the Discord group for the Day Trader, there is the link in the chat. You have to jump through a couple of hoops, and it's good. You have to verify your email. You have to be in the group for 10 minutes before you can chat. All this stuff, but it's there to protect you and make the group great. I'm going to grow that group. I want to get thousands of members in there, and from the Day Trader Show. So there you go. But so please join that, and I will be shutting down the WhatsApp group at the end of the day. Also, it's Black Friday today, and I know everyone in America loves discounts. Everyone in America loves discounts. So I thought I would join in with the whole American Black Monday, Black Friday, whatever you want to call it. And I am running a sale on my brand new shop. There is the shop. The link's in the chat. The brand new shop. And what I'm doing, I'm giving everybody until the end of the week, till Friday, it expires on Friday, a discount code. And the discount is in the live chat, and it expires on Friday if you want to order any of the stuff from the shop, is ML10. In other words, ML for Martyn Lucas. ML10, that will get you a 10% discount, and that expires on Friday, just in time for you to get your Christmas presents if you wanted to do that. And don't forget, if you get any of the Day Trader stuff, then you have to take a picture, send it in through the Discord, and then we'll put it on the show. We'd love you to share it with everybody. All right, so here is the shop. Here's this wonderful stuff. I've added new items, including all sorts of clothes and gadgets and stuff like that, and pens and hats and even socks for Christmas, whatever you like, in every colour. in every color you could imagine, even a yoga mat. Can you believe it? A tote bag, you name it. All right, there we go. Everything's there for you. Brilliant. Let's get back to the trades. And on Friday, that will expire, that discount code. All right, let's start now looking into the charts. They're starting to form. Here is the chart for Rivian starting to form. Okay, let me go back now into the conversation and see what you're all saying. They are still calling me. Yeah, that's it. The WhatsApp was a nightmare. People were abusing it. Not you guys wasn't, but other people watching the show on the repeat, getting in and abusing it. So we've changed that now. The Discord is built for online chatting, a public group, growing a public group, giving moderators a position. So I will be upgrading some of you to moderator status as well to help out if you want to. Let's have a look. Good morning, John. Bill said, hello, my name is Michael Williams. How are you feeling today? Michael Williams is here. Lovely to have you here, Michael. Thank you very much indeed. Pfizer and CrowdStrike on my list today. All right, Pfizer and CrowdStrike. That's just coming from Julius Caesar. Check that out. We'll do that as well in a minute. Hi there, Bill, says Balasair. Alpha, live YouTube stream. Not very good for algorithm, but great for community. You should create multiple small videos out of the live stream and up. Yes, thank you very much, Alpha. You're absolutely right. I'm going to be doing that. At the moment, my priority is just to get to 4,000 watch hours, and building a community, getting subscribers is what the live is. You're absolutely right. Absolutely right. The live is not as good as the uploaded videos. You're absolutely spot on with that, and that's why I'm starting to do that. I did 2 a couple of days ago, and I'm going to show you that in a second. You guys ready for the rally of the century? Yeah, I'm hoping so. I'm hoping so. No black hoodies, XSL. When will they be back? I can't tell you, Bill. Just keep checking. Hey, Mickey. Where's Mickey? Oh, Michael Williams, is that? Oh, right. Bitcoin, a Bitcoin rise. Okay, here we go. Tether stablecoin just printed news Tether yesterday, so that's why Bitcoin, etc., rising. In my opinion, the whole year's rally was driven by Tether printing. What do you think? I actually believe the reason why we're getting a rally is because we've had so much selling off. I think everyone's fed up with selling off. I think it's important to get back onto a track, because all these stocks that we've invested in, at least in my portfolio, are great stocks, great for the future. And we've had the correction back in September. We had the sell-offs with COVID. I mean, like I said over the weekend, what has COVID got to do with these stocks? Nothing at all. I mean, yes, I understand if you got ill and the plant lost some employees for a while. I get that, of course, but the mass selling that we've had around the world has got nothing to do with it. It's just people's fear, and I don't understand people's fear. I don't really understand it. The fundamentals haven't changed, and if the fundamentals haven't changed, why wouldn't you stick with the stock that you've already got? I trade it, as you know, just to make profits, and which is what it's all about, right, at the end of the day. But it surprises me that people sell off because bad news. All I can understand is they sell off and move their money to something else. I understand that because I do it all the time. But it surprises me that people sell off just because there's some bad news around. It does quite surprise me. Anyway. So here is that little video, and I appreciate very, very much Alpha telling me this, because he's absolutely right. You need to make one-off videos as well. And here is one. I actually titled it Bitcoin, which is a bit weird, one word, but actually my vidIQ told me I had an 80% SEO score for that. I don't know. I'm testing it. I don't know. You guys could actually help me. You know what I ask you to do. This is only a minute video. If you'd all help me with this one, to grow the channel. Here is the link of that video in the live chat. Just open a side tab and have that running. Some of you have already watched it. Give it a like. It's only got 1 like on it at the moment. Give it a like and go and leave a comment below. Just go and watch that. That'd be really, really great. It's only a minute long. It's about Bitcoin, what I discovered about Bitcoin. Okay, it'd be really, really helpful. Right, let me have a look. We got some comments here. ALB, ISPC, NVIDIA making money, of course, here. Let's have a look. Ballard says, put that on the screen. Let me share that with everybody. Hey, Bill. Hey, Julia. Wonderful to have you. Right, let me check out some of these then that you're asking about. Let's go, first of all, into ALB. This is from Balassaire. Let's bring it. Albemarle. Okay, this is the first one. We're up 2% this morning. Manufacturing and marketing of chemicals for consumer electronics. Julia sees you already watched it. Thank you very much indeed. You did. Go and like it and leave a comment then. Remember why I tell you to leave comments. Not only does it grow the channel, but for you guys, if you've got a channel, Queen does it all the time. Queen herself, Braden, does it all the time. She will comment below the video and she'll get subscribers because I'll feature her comments and more people come through. If you're over there on TikTok, you're missing the entire show. Come into YouTube, click the icon here, click the profile and come on into YouTube. You're missing everything here this morning. So there's Albemarle. That was given to you by Balassaire. Let's look at ISPC. iSpecimen. This is another one recommended. Now, we're down 20% today on the pre-market. Wow. Okay. We've got a huge, big drop here now. This could be an opportunity, guys. iSpecimen Incorporated, a healthcare organization that engages in procurement of human biospecimens. I've had my fingers burnt with this type of thing, with what is it called? Harpoon Therapeutics. These big dips are great, but you can get locked down there and keep buying more and more and more. You really have to, if you're into this, you really have to know what it is you're getting into and be prepared to keep going and buying the dips. And of course, you know, you're getting really, really cheap stock, but you know, cheap stock is only cheap stock if it actually goes back up again. So Harpoon is one of those crazy ones. NVIDIA, of course, great stock with all the cars and electronics around. What is its daily volume of iSpecimen? Let's go back to it. We've got a question there. NVIDIA is up 2.16%. Let's have a look. iSpecimen, its volume is, average volume is 20 million. Average volume is 20 million. Market cap is 125 million. So it's quite a small company. But 20 million is a lot of trades for such a small company, I would say. Right, if you've just joined us, smash the like button. Smash the like button. We want to get to 20 likes. That's our average now. So let's see if we can do that. The market's going to be choppy today. See what happens in the first half hour. Yes, it's always the first half an hour. We've always noticed that. We've got just 10 minutes to go. Let's get the 20 likes. We've got 15 right now. Very, very close. That used to be our average. We now average 20 a show. Wonderful stuff. All right. Let me go back to that video and see if anybody just left me a like on it. I'm just going to check. See if anybody did. Yes. You wonderful, wonderful people. Look at that. I ask you to do something and you do it. Look, I just want to share that with everybody. What a team we have. That had 1 like. It now has 9. See, what we want to do is get this channel to grow. Look, at the moment, the vidIQ score is 31 out of 100. I did get an 80 score before it was broadcast because when I typed in the word Bitcoin, it was very high volume and very low competition, which completely surprised me. It didn't make any sense whatsoever, but nevertheless, I tried it. Wow, look at all this. We've got all these comments coming in. Thank you very much. Thank you ever so much, everyone. That really helps out when I ask you to. I really appreciate it. Right, back to the trades. Sarah Buckland, I'm new here. Wonderful, we've got a new person, Sarah Buckland. We'd like to welcome Sarah Buckland. Let's start off by giving our cities and countries, please. We've got 20 likes now. Fantastic. Sarah Buckland, allow me to introduce myself and qualify what this channel is all about. I was actually voted World Piano Man by Sir Elton John. I'm actually a musician entertainer. This is my TV studio where I go live every day. And everything you see here is unedited, live. Even my published videos are made live because I want everything to be real and genuine. And what you're seeing here is the Truman Show. You're seeing Jim Carrey Truman Show, my life lived out online with my investments. Everything you see here is real. This is my real cash. This is all the money I have in the world. This is my savings. I started investing when I paid off my mortgage, when I paid off my car loan, and I've only put $5,000 in. I've grown this from $5,000 in nearly 5 months now. Everything you see here is genuine and real. It's all happened live during my show. Everyone has witnessed it. And I've grown this because I have some of the best people in trading there is. And I've watched every YouTube channel there is when it comes to Bitcoin trading, investment, stocks and shares. And most of them are manipulating the market, selling you training programs and stuff like that. We offer that all for free. And I've made my money by the team here telling me what they're doing. I get great tips from Julius Caesar, great tips from Muzanella, great tips from Balacer, John Brunette, everybody here. I mean, literally everybody here has given me a stock to invest in, and I've listened, I've studied, I've researched, and I've grown this portfolio live on the show in front of everyone. If you're over on TikTok, click the icon, click the YouTube icon on the profile of TikTok and come on in if you want to be part of our real trades. That's where our traders are. So that's what this platform is about. If you click subscribe and ring the bell, I bring out breaking news. This is my full-time gig. I've basically got, this is my investment. I've got 6 months worth of money in the bank to pay the bills. I have to make this YouTube channel work. Currently I earn about $30 a week on all my channels. The music channel, I get tips, don't get any money from ads because it's copyright. I'm hoping by the middle of this week, this channel will get monetized, so I will earn $1 a day, which I can invest and hopefully start to live on as it starts to grow. And I'll be here. This is my full-time job, my full-time commitment to you. My payment is not the $1 a day I hope to get by Wednesday. It's the family and support and bringing everyone together. Mostly my thing is bringing people together. I'm a musician, entertainer, so I love doing that. But I'm good at bringing people together, and obviously I seem to be doing all right with my investment. So that's what we're all about. That's how real this is. Everyone here tells the truth. We share everything honestly, and it's working. It's working for us. So I'll share with you my portfolio. If you wish to join our Discord group, we closed down the WhatsApp group. We're closing it down because of spam, and we can't moderate it or control it. Here is the Discord group. It's in the live chat now. Go and click on that. Join the Discord group. It takes a little moment to get through it, as it should, because we've added lots of security. You need to be verify your email, and you need to be in for 10 minutes to get into the group. There you can post your portfolios. You can post what we should be investing in, and so on. And I will appoint some moderators, of course, and you will have the power to get people out and block people and all that kind of stuff. All right. And you can control people calling you and all that stuff as well. So it's much better than the Discord. I apologize. It takes 10 minutes to qualify, but at the end of the day, I'm trying to make it secure for all of you guys. Rivian is now popping up 2.47. Virgin Galactic is now up 0.66. Gores Guggenheim up 1.7. I made some money. Lucid, one of my biggest stocks. This is one of my things I learned. John Brunette told me about Lucid. I'm now up $2.5 grand on this one, and that is all because of John. I had no idea about this one at all. Robinhood, we're back in again. Of course, we're supporting Muzanello. He's got lots of contracts on it. LAC, another one. Okay, Will Graviton has brought some information here. Sarah Buckler, do come back to us. Let us know where you're from. We'd love to know more. Maybe diversity into metaverse, cryptos like Sandbox. Yep, another one. Top tip there for you all. Please share all this on our Discord. You can actually be in there at the same time. I'll just go over there actually and see what's happening over there on Discord. Let's have a look. Just bringing it up. We're just watching the stocks. We've got just 4.5 minutes to go. Let's go to the Day Trader Discord server. This is very, very good. I hope you all like this stuff. We've got all kinds of different happening now. There we got events. We got all sorts of stuff. Michael Williams has just come in. There we go. So let me share with you on the screen. This is actually our Discord group. You can see it's really cool. Really like it. A lot of security with this. We got the announcement page. We got the general page where people can chat. It tells you what the groups are all about. Hi everyone. Have you a great there? Alpha Ping has just joined us. There we go. You can see what this is all about. So we'll keep an eye on that as well. So you can share things there in much greater detail, of course, than you can here on in the live chat. Rivian is some buying coming into Rivian. You can see that now. Right, we got just 3.5 minutes to go. Rolls-Royce is down 9%. We're having all sorts of problems with Rolls-Royce right now. I've made some money on that, but we're starting to lose ground now. The overall portfolio is up 0.5%. Bill's got a comment here. Let's share it with you. And watching the show helps us. And I am doing good since I arrived. Wonderful stuff. Very, very good. Let's go over to the app as well. Wonderful stuff. We've got 20 likes now. Thank you very much indeed, everybody. Just 2 minutes to go. I thought I was going to sneeze. Am I going to sneeze? I'm not sure. Who hates that? All right, Tesla doing very well, up 2% today. Rivian up 3%. This is wonderful news for Rivian. I said there was a bottom. I asked all of you in the live chat, has Rivian hit a bottom? I'm going to ask it again. I asked it 3 times, and you all, I think it was 70% said no. I think Rivian has hit a bottom. I think it's stabilized. I'm going to put in the chat. Has Rivian hit a bottom? Okay. Yes or no? Okay, let's see what happens, because I think it has. Even though I know it's overpriced, even though I know it's still very hyped, it's calmed down. I think it's got some security now, some support. I think we are there now. I think it's hit a bottom. I bought it on the way up. I bought it on the way down. I traded it probably 10 times. I'm now just down 4% now. And I got 36 shares of it, so I'm very excited to see this pop up now. This could make me some money now. Very, very good. Virgin Galactic's up 0.5% this morning. GGPI is up 2% this morning, and this is wonderful to see all of this. And lovely to see all the comments coming in on the Discord group. Michael Williams, hello, how are you? I've been invited to join the Michael Williams server. I'm more than happy to add you as a friend. There you go. And more than happy to join your server. There you go. Thank you very much indeed. I've just joined your server. Thank you very much indeed for that. We've got 30 seconds to go. We're keeping an eye. We're watching what's going on. Let's go and let's get ready to ring the bell, everybody, and let's get into the charts. Very, very exciting. Looking forward to this one. 20 seconds to go. What are we going to see this morning? Right. Let's get ready for the bell to go. 15 seconds to go. Lucid's starting to drop back. Specimen is up 0.6 this morning. What's it going to do? Rivian up 3.5% now. Here we go. Let's ring the bell in 3, 2, 1, and here we go. All right. Okay. Let's have a look. Will it continue? Are people now buying in? I believe we're going to have a great run up to Christmas. I believe we're going to have a great run up to Christmas. I think we are. I think the markets are going to end up really high. I agree. Alpha Moderna is a good one. Alpha Moderna, check that out. I've already made my money in Moderna, so I'm not in it anymore. ISPC. Right, the overall portfolio is up 0.6. Let's see it on the live. Just we're having a bit of a sell-off now. Yeah, we get all sorts of happening right in the first few minutes. Up 1.76 on Tesla. Let's have a look. Rivian is now moving up 3.5% now, doing very, very well. SPCE just dropping back. Let's see where we end this morning. I think in December, we're going to have some good news from SPCE. So I've got a huge portfolio. Nearly 17% of my portfolio is Virgin Galactic. So very, very excited about that. We're dropping down now. We're dropping down. I've got no money in my buying power, by the way, to buy any of these dips now. So that's kind of over. We're up now on the hour. Let's have a look. And we're up today nearly just over 0.5%. Very, very good. My buying power is $94. The rest is leverage, which I won't use. $94. I'm not going to spend any more money because I need that to pay the $5 a month for the gold plan with Robinhood. Let's have a look at the vote. We've got 10 votes in. Has Rivian hit a bottom? 40% say yes, 60% say no. Well, that's interesting because it was 70% say no. It's coming down. You're starting to turn. You're starting to think, oh, maybe it has bottomed out. Tesla is shooting up. 2.48. Great stuff. I'm up $1,000 now. Rivian is 4% up. Rivian is doing very, very well. Very, very well. Will I make money again now I'm finally repositioned? At the moment, I'm still down 4%. I've got a way to go yet, but I have $59. Yeah. Buy the dips, right, until you run out of money. Virgin Galactic is continuing to fall. I can't really buy it any lower. It's average cost $17.91. GGPI is up 1.49. Lucid is up as well. This is great, 51, nearly 52. Just dropping back, bit of a sell-off. It's holding though. Robinhood is now going down again, 0.5%. Harpoon is now going down. Buy into this one at your stress and worry because this one is all over the place. Fizzy's just come and joined us. Was watching us over there on TikTok. We've got a lot of friends over there on TikTok. I want to share my TikTok with you. Wonderful people over on TikTok. I've got now, look at this, guys, just in case you're interested. I've got 8,108 followers on TikTok. I only 10,000 and I become a professional channel on TikTok. So I'm very excited about that as well. So there's my TikTok channel. We get lots of subscribers come from TikTok. Most of the TikTok audience actually are just scrolling through, but 10% of them are serious traders, and they actually want to come over and join us. So if you are one of those serious traders, come and join us. Why did the market crash? Because we had huge sell-offs because of the COVID variant scare. Quite honestly, that was the reason for that. Moderna going to the moon. Let's have a look. Moderna going to the moon. Let's have a look at it. Moderna. I was in this one. You were given the top tip this morning. Did you 12% this morning? Wow, huge recoveries. If we look at this dropped all the way back. This is probably because the Delta variant. I don't know. Yeah, Omicron variant. There you go. This made a lot of money for me. Now we're seeing it surging again. This could be a great one today. Up 12%. Look at this. 33% on the week. 12%. I'm not going to buy it now. I think that moment has happened. I think that it might carry on, but I'm not going to buy into it now. But who knows? It's up nearly 13% now. Whoa, look at it. Look at it go. You were given a tip. Are you going to jump in on Moderna? Who's going to get in Moderna now? Brave man. Because it can drop like a stone. We've seen it happen. Look, it's done it before. Will it over the last month, it dropped here. It's going up again. It's approaching the highs. It's on a pump right now. You got to decide. Pfizer and Nvidia are up as well. Pfizer and Nvidia, yep, buying the rumors, selling the news. Absolutely. I just got a share. Yeah, I've got no money left to buy into this at all. I'm a little bit, I tried to think about it and think, okay, it's great, but if I put money in this, how much is it going to make me compared to where it is? That's another thing. Never have fear of missing out. Don't think, I'm missing out on this one. You're not, because your money's probably somewhere else. I mean, for example, look at Tesla. Tesla's up 3% today. I could have taken money out of Tesla and bought Moderna, and it'd be the same result, right? I mean, at the end of the day. Well, it wouldn't have done if I'd bought it this morning, but of course, you know what I mean. If I do it now, I'm up 2%. I've made money there. It's your choice. Rivian is now just showing some resistance and popping back a little bit. SPCE is still falling, down 1.25% today. We're now approaching the all-time lows. I think 1550 was the all-time low for this. After we had flights. I know some of you were going to say, well, no, it was lower than that. It was when it first came out, but of course that's pre-test flights. But we are approaching the very, very lows once the flight started to happen. But I think this is going to be the stock of the century. I really do. Boyntech stock. You're asking to look at that one. Let me go over to it. Let's have a look. Boyntech stock. I got ISPC at 13 with my last of my buying power. Moderna is still moving up 14% now. There we go. I've got nothing to invest today, I'm afraid. Let's go and open another link and look at BioNTech for Alpha. Let's see what that says. BION, BioNTech. BioNTech. Is that BNTX? Is that BNTX? That's up 5.52% this morning. Doing very, very well. We've got people. Hi, Grandad. We still coming round for Christmas dinner? No idea why someone's saying that to me on TikTok. Yes, it is that one. Right. It's falling back now. It's up 4.65, but there is some selling coming into it now. Tesla is holding at 2.6. Rivian is up at 3, just dropping back now. Let's have a look. BioNTech is the company that made the Pfizer vaccine. Okay. Let me share that with everyone. BioNTech is the company that made the Pfizer vaccine. Of course, now we're getting the Delta variant. Things are surging. Of course, the stock prices for all of these vaccines are going to do well. Let's share that news as well. There you go. BioNTech. Rivian dropping back now. SPCE still falling down now over 1%. GGPI holding at 1.62. Lucid down 1.16. Let's go over to the crypto. Let's look at Bitcoin and let's look at the news for Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies brace for winter. Virtual Adidas. Let's have a look at the actual value of Bitcoin this morning. We're down 0.16% this morning, very, very slightly. All right, we've got over 20 likes now, which means, as you know, the family's all here. Let's bring the family in. Great. There we go. Thank you very much indeed, everybody. Lovely to have you all here. Brilliant. All right, let's go over to the trading screen as well. Come back into there. What about Ethereum? What does everybody feel about Shiba Inu, one of the meme stocks? Breaking news this morning. Amazon are now going to take Shiba Inu. Now, for a laugh, even though I don't believe in it, I think all that type of stuff is rubbish. I tried to buy $150 of it. Couldn't log in through Coinbase. at all. The Coinbase app would not let me in. Tried like 10 times, reinstalled it, couldn't get in. Tried to buy it on Trust Wallet, and because they sell it, and the two providers of it said it's not available in your area. One wouldn't take the credit card. I tried 4 credit cards. I thought, wow, talk about a scheme, talk about a flipping, a risky thing. I couldn't get in. I couldn't buy it. Credit cards rejected. I mean, if that's not telling you that this isn't a stable asset, I mean, how the hell would you even sell it again? So yeah, I couldn't even buy it. I thought just for a laugh, a demonstration on the show, not as an investment, as a bit of a joke, I would buy. You have $256,000. Oh, you have 256,000 of sheep. Okay. Yeah, which is a few pence, right? I don't know what that is. But Mark Corn's here. Wonderful to have you here, Mark. No way, fake news. It looked real to me. I don't know. It's what I read. That's why I thought on the show I'll do it for you, bit of fun, see what happens. Yeah, absolute joke. Couldn't even buy it. I'll show you what I used. Yeah, this is what can I show you this? Yeah. Here it is. Right, look. Here is my Trust Wallet, and this is Shiba, right? It's up 3% today, look, see? It's a bit of a joke. I know it's a joke. I tried to buy it, MoonPay, and you click on MoonPay, and it just doesn't even work. It's not even available. I mean, what a joke. I went through Coinbase as well. This is the Coinbase app. The Coinbase app, I couldn't even log in. Couldn't even log into the Coinbase app. Wouldn't even let me in. I thought, right, okay, something's telling me that even for a joke, I shouldn't be doing it. But anyway, whatever. You decide what you think. Right, let's have a look. Now then, on the last hour, we are down slightly. Let's go back to Moderna. And now Moderna's dropping back. See, I told you guys, I said 13% was really good, but I wouldn't buy it now. You missed that. Exactly what I said. I'm timed that perfectly. I would not buy it now. Okay. BioNTech, same thing. It's now dropping back. I had a big surge this morning. Right, let's go to the live now. So what's happened? What's happened this morning? It's not Tesla. It's not Rivian. Virgin Galactic is what it is. Virgin Galactic is collapsing. That's what's taken my portfolio down. You have to verify your identity on Coinbase. Yeah, I couldn't even verify it. I couldn't even log into the app. I couldn't even log in. I mean, I was setting up a new account and I couldn't even log in. I couldn't even create an account on the app. Reinstalled it 3 or 4 times. Couldn't even get in. Anyway. Gores, Guggenheim doing well. Lucid now dropping back. We made some profits, but it's coming back up again. Yep, Tesla up 4% today. The recovery's well in line now with Tesla. Really, really good. Now, for those of you that just joined us, we got Queen of Self-Braiding just arrived. Mark Corn has just arrived. So I want to bring you up to date with a couple of important news items. We've now, by the end of the day, the WhatsApp group will be shut down because spammers were coming in and ruining it for everybody. So I researched, found the best thing to do, and that was create a Discord account. So it takes a bit of verification, but it stops the idiots. You might have to hang around for 10 minutes when you set it up, but that's how it is. I'm making a much, much secure thing. And you can, of course, I'll put the link in the chat for you. Join that. This is the Discord group, and you can post your portfolios, questions, suggestions. We have all sorts of different channels in the day trader. You can see we've got the general, we've got suggestions, we've got announcements. We're going to add moderators. People can control it much better. It's much more secure, and we can grow the community so we can bring more traders in. It's fantastic. So there is the link in the live chat. You need to be on YouTube if you want to get this link. All right, so there it is. And also, for those of you that are interested, because Christmas is coming up, and I know everyone loves discounts in the United States. Here is my shop, and I am doing a sale, a Black Friday, Black Monday, I don't know, Pinky Bonky Wednesday, whatever you want to call it. It's tinging its way up the tube, and a 10% discount expires on Friday. There you go. ML10 is the discount code. All right, if you're interested in it, get yourself some Christmas day trader merchandise, and you get all sorts. But you get even red, any color socks you want for Christmas. Look at that. We've got every color you can imagine. Anyway, you get 10% discount. Expires on Friday. All right. So there you go. Right. Let's go back to the charts and let's see across what's going on. Let's look at SPCE's chart. Yeah, huge sell-offs. Look at this. Huge sell-offs this morning. But I think this is great. I mean, I don't know any bad news with Virgin Galactic. I just know it's not coming. The news won't come until middle of December. All right. So I'm in that one. Let's see. Bitcoin's is down 0.76 today. Ethereum is down today. We had a bit of a surge, and I thought we were about to take off with it, and it's come back again. But I'm still not worried. I'm still very. Oh, you were amazing, guys. Amazing. I want to share with you. Look at this. You all. 11 of you went across and liked the video now. Thank you very much indeed for liking that video. That will really help our channel grow. If you, it's only a minute long. Open another browser. I'll put it in the chat for you right now. If you go and click on that one there, it's a minute long. Leave a comment below, which will promote your YouTube channel, and give us a thumbs up. That would be really, really helpful. All right. I wouldn't laugh at Shiba Inu just yet. No, I'm not laughing at it. I'm not laughing at it. I know it's not a real asset. I mean, you know, whatever. But like Bitcoin and Ethereum. But at the end of the day, I was prepared to buy a bit. I thought, just for a laugh, I'll buy a bit. All right. I don't take it seriously, but just for a laugh, I thought I'd buy a bit. But it wouldn't let me. I'm not joking. I tried. Coinbase app would not let me verify myself, and the other apps wouldn't even sell it in Texas. I mean, it's like, what? Seriously. Moon Check or whatever it was on another one wouldn't even let me buy it. Robinhood won't sell it, so it's like, well, okay. It seems to be very, very difficult to buy it. But anyway. Just after I bought it, it started to fall anyway, so, you know, whatever. Tesla is up 4% today. Rivian is now dropping back very slightly, but it's still very strong, up nearly 3% today. SPCE, 16.26. Morning all. Duchak and Dr. Nathan Smith have now joined us. This is absolutely great. Absolutely great. The two of you, I just posted a link in the chat. If you'd help me open a second browser, just click on that video I just posted in the chat. It's a video, it's only a minute long, and you know it really helps the channel. Dave Mottram as well, done the same thing. We get everybody coming in now. Wow. I didn't take Bitcoin seriously when it was 64 cents in the beginning. I bet you did. I bet you wish you did now, right? Please go and leave a comment and a like that video. It's about Bitcoin. It's 1 minute long. And for the benefit of Duchak and Dave Mottram and Dr. Nathan Smith, by the end of the day, I'm closing down the WhatsApp group because of spammers and idiots that come in and ruin it for all of us. So I've created the Discord group, which is much, much better. I can appoint moderators and so on and so forth. We can grow the group. Here is the link in the chat. Go and do it. It takes 10 minutes to process you. You need to be in for a while. It's to get rid of all the idiots. So I'm going to appoint moderators. Dr. Nathan Smith, I'd like to invite you to be a moderator for me. And I'll be adding a few of you as moderators. You can control it. You can share your portfolios. You can ask questions. We've got different channels. It's great. We can promote the YouTube channel and grow a family. So get into that, because I won't be communicating through WhatsApp after today. Personally, of course, I will, but not the group will be closed down. All right? Okay. And if any of you want that Black Monday discount, it expires on Friday. It runs all week. I'm giving 10%. There is the code, ML10. I'm giving everybody a 10% discount here, only here, for the remainder of the week. If you want to get any Christmas socks with the Day Trader logo on it. Let's go back now. Let's see what Moderna's doing now. See, it fell back. It's now. I wouldn't buy Moderna now. It's had its pump this morning. It could go back up again, but I wouldn't. And that's a big increase. But it drops as fast as it goes up. What are your thoughts on IMMR? Let's get it. Let's get it on the screen. What's everyone think of IMMR? Immersion. Let's have a look at this one. $5 a share. Nice and nice. Engages in creation, design, development, and licensing of patent haptic innovations and software. The firm offers touch sense platform and design services. Focuses on the following target application areas: mobile devices, wearable consumer. Sounds good. Let's have a look what it does. It's very low average though. Sorry, average volume is very low. It's a very small company, 190 million. Its average volume is 1.9, so it's quite. Actually, it's quite high volume for such a small company, I would say. So even though it's a small company, there's a relatively good interest in it, I would say. Its earnings fundamentally are improving over time. That looks interesting. The analysts on Robinhood don't give it a buy or a sell or a hold or anything like that. Let's have a look at it. It's thank you very much. It's got one of those nice patterns that I like, where it has plenty of volatility, and at the moment we're on the bottom. So this could be an interesting one. It's at the bottom of its trend again. If we look at it over 5 years, look it up. It's nice. It's at its bottom level. That's interesting. Let me add that to the list and let me do some research on that one. Maybe that's worth an investment there. I need to know what the company is before I do that though. But biotech has now dropped back. Dr. Nathan Smith says done. I think what is that? Is that the Discord group? Was that? Do chat now is looking at the group. Oh, Balacer, I'll buy one. All right, if you buy one, I'll buy one. Should we all buy one? Should we? All right, I'll buy one. Buy a share. Well, if you're going to buy one, buy 10. Review order. Buy. I'm going to buy 10. Right, as I bought it, it popped immediately. Did everybody see that? Comment and like of, oh, thank you. Comment and like of your video. Thank you very much. Yes. Yeah, we've got 24 likes now. Absolutely brilliant. Right. Subscribe, ring the bell if you're watching on the repeat. Did I just buy it as it popped or just before it popped? Let's have a look. I bought it at 581. I bought it literally as it blipped. That's annoying. I bought it at 581. I bought 5. I bought 10, sorry. So there you go. In support of Dr. Nathan Smith, I just bought 10 at 581. Anyway, there you go. I've made myself 20 cents so far. 21 cents. I now have 144. Yeah, I can't buy 10. Yeah, you can't afford 10. You're not a big shot like me. No, I got 10. I own 10 shares of immersion. Balasset, you can't afford it. You need to sit on the sidelines, mate, and watch the big rollers like me. By the way, all the mugs have now been dispatched. Everybody has now had them. All their mugs are out. So I'm very, very pleased for that. Let me go and see if everybody liked that video I just shared with you. 13 likes now, 40 views. All right, brilliant. Let me look below. Has anybody commented on it? Sort by. Newest first. Right, who commented? Dr. Nathan Smith did. Dave Mottram did. Balassaire. Justin Trade. Bill. The Queen of Celebrating. There you go. Thank you very much indeed for all of you that just liked that video and left a comment. Great. It's just a 1-minute video. For those of you that are fans of the show, this is the week, hopefully, we will become a professional YouTube channel. We are 300 hours away. We're at 3,700, 300 hours away from becoming monetized, which will mean with the numbers that we have, I might earn $1 a show, but I will tell you how I grow, reinvest that in. But the benefit to you is all immersion's going up. I've made 37 cents. The reason why it's good for you guys is as the channel starts to grow, we'll get more traders in because YouTube will push it to more people. So we will learn more, get more great tips, and so on and so forth. All right. If you wanted the shop, the ML10 discount expires on Friday, so just in time for Christmas, if that's what your thing is. Right, I'm up now, 0.9% immersion. Yes. Let's have a look at it. We're all buying some shares in it. We could manipulate the market at this size. If we all buy 1,000 shares, we could actually move this up. Yeah. Yeah, it's up. I'm up now 0.5%. Brilliant. All right. Biotech is now starting to upswing again. My portfolio is now up 0.02. Let's get everyone's scores in, please. It's 9 o'clock, coming up to 9 o'clock. I am up 0.06. Let's get everyone's scores on the doors and see who is doing what. Tesla is up over 5% this morning. Absolutely wonderful. It's 14% of my portfolio, which is fine. I got $45 left in my buying power. It's very, very easy in it. Tapped buy. I am up 0.73. Okay, Dr. Nathan Smith goes into the lead. Dr. Nathan Smith goes into the lead. 0.45. I'm afraid John Brunette doesn't take it away from Dr. Nathan Smith. Dr. Nathan Smith is still in the lead. But I have 14% of my portfolio. I'm catching up now because of blah, 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 because of Tesla. No, I'm still down 0.06. That's because Virgin Galactic is killing my portfolio this morning. Right, starting to recover at 16.31. Who bought at 16.31 this morning? Ooh. Have I got any money left? I want to buy the bottom here this morning. Buying power, $36. 36. I'm going to buy 2 shares. Buy. Shares 2. Review order. Done. I just bought 2 shares. Right, I'll sell those 2 shares in a minute. Right, I'll sell those 2 shares. Right, up 0.73. Duchak is up 0.29. Right, hang on. Balasair 0.64 doesn't take the lead. Up 2.9. That is Duchak. Duchak now takes it at 2.29. But Slicky comes in at plus 3.47. 3.47. Absolutely great. GGPI has now moved up 5% this morning. Wonderful news. I've just bought the dip with Virgin Galactic. Only 2 shares. Christopher Marantet is here this morning. One of our super legends. He's here this morning. Thank you, Christopher. Smash the like button and welcome, welcome, welcome. Wow, 3.47. Let's put that on the score. That's winning score so far. If you've just joined us this morning, we are officially closing down the WhatsApp group at the end of the day because of spam and people that ruin it for everybody. So I now have opened the Discord channel. Brand new, there it is. It takes 10 minutes to get in because I've put all sorts of protections in. It's so only real people get in. We're going to have moderators. It's a great group. And of course, we can also share it as well. This is the actual Discord group. Looks really cool. We've got lots of different channels, lots of things we can do. So get yourself signed up into the Discord group. All right. Virgin Galactic now. I've made no money on those 2 shares. It's only 2 shares, but nevertheless, it's good. Mine is going up now. Good day. And John Brunette, there you go. From Mr. Christopher Marantet. There we go. We're looking to make some money this morning. From Virgin Galactic. I know it's only a couple of shares, but whatever. Immersion. I'm just down 0.14. I've just bought 10 shares of it. Let's see what happens. Biotech is going down. I told you guys when it hit the top there, that was it. We were done. So I'm going to close that for the day. We don't want to look at that. In fact, we'll keep it open as interest, but it's going to keep going down. The winner then. Does anyone beat 3.47? I don't think so. Let me bring it back on the score. Right, let's give the thank you very much for sharing your honest position. We appreciate it. And thumbs up to you. And let's give Slicky a great round of applause. Was over there on TikTok first of all. Joined us here on YouTube. So there you go. Fantastic. Let's give a big round of applause. Slicky, thank you very much indeed. 3.47. That's a great score. Nice one, mate. For some reason, it does not let me open it in Safari. No idea why. Let me see if I can open it in Safari. Okay. Let me see if I can open it in Safari. For the benefit of Dr. Nathan Smith, I'm opening up Safari and I'm using the link to the Discord group and I'm pasting it into the address bar and yes, it does work. Yep. I'll just share with you because I want you to see it. I've just look, there you go. That's Safari and that is the link. So I don't know why the Discord link it does work. I've just I've done it. I didn't see reason why it wouldn't open in Safari, but anyway. Let me take the link you're using to be absolutely sure. Yep, it works. There we go. We've got 14 members now. There we go. Great, nice. Yep. So it's you. Don't come in here giving me a hard time, Dr. Nathan Smith. Oh dear. Right, let's go back to the trades. Tesla just dropping back very slightly. Lewis Miller. Hello, Lewis Miller. Yeah, congratulations. Lewis Miller. Yes, I do remember. And how I remember is because of your Manchester United. Manchester United. Of course I remember. Wonderful to have you here. Maybe it's because I'm on an iPad. I don't know. Maybe because you're a doctor and you're not very good on tech. Because doctors, you can't read their writing, can you? So, you know, maybe it's that. Maybe it's to do with his writing. Who can read doctors' writing? No one can read doctors' writing. Why do doctors scribble in a way that no one can read it? I had that problem too. Really? Don't know why. The internet. Could be a number of reasons it won't open. Bad routes, etc. Now you're talking to someone now. You're talking to the creator of Livestream Cafe. You're talking to the guy who did the menus for Domino's Pizza around the world. You are talking to a man who knows about technology. Wonderful, great, wonderful guy. Lovely, the loveliest person you'll ever wish to meet. He's a lot better now. He's tidied himself up. He used to have long hair to go with the beard. You could hardly see his face. But he's worked on that. Imagine if he lost his beard, he'd look about 6 years old. Anyway, other than that, the greatest guy and a wonderful musician as well, and part of a great Pink Floyd tribute show. And of course, not only that, but the producer and owner and creator of God knows what, this amazing CD. And if Christopher wants to put the link to it, I'm more than happy to invite you to do that, because I tell you what, it's a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant album. I listen to it when I'm off air. Absolutely great. All original. How many people can say that? All original material. So go and... the beard. Well, you need to update the picture then. It says cannot accept invite. Hey? Well, all I can tell you guys, the link I've just given you, Alpha Ping has accepted it. Dave Mottram has done it. Dr. Nathan Smith has done it. Michael Williams has done it. Balasera has done it. There's 5 of you actually in it right now, all chatting away. Sure, I don't want to hijack your chat though. It's Christopher, I've invited you. Stick your link in there. It's fine. We're here to support everyone. I keep making sure I'm focusing on everyone knows, even though I suddenly talk about this or suddenly talk about that, I'm always back on the business within minutes, within seconds. You know I am. Gores Guggenheim is now up today. Lucid Group now back up again. 2% today. Absolutely great. Robinhood is falling. That's another one of my big stocks. Down 5% today. All-time lows. Think I've screwed my password up. That's what it is. See? I joined the Discord. See? People come on here and they have a go at me, and when it comes down to it, it's you messing up your password. It works on the Mac. There you go. It works on a proper computer, Chris. All right. So the general group is for general chit-chat. We've got announcements. We've got news. I'm going to create different channels, like stocks to look out for. Things like that. And then you can post in there. So, yeah, I'm going to make a number of you moderators and stuff like that, so you can get rid of the idiots along with me. Rolls-Royce, down 0.62 today. That's the lowest I've seen it for ages. Boeing is taking a bit of a tumble. Apple is up today, nearly 2%. That's good. I'm still down, though. Evgo, down. What about Sev? Did everyone get in on Sev when it was so cheap? I did. Woo-woo. I'm up 1.82%. I've made $4.68. Hey, Christopher, I got a job for you to do. If you're going to go and promote yourself on my show, there's something you got to do, right? I need you to do it. Where is it? Here it is. Christopher Marintet, I need you to go open another browser. There's a 1-minute video I need you to watch. And for those of you who haven't done it yet, go and do it, please, because we're trying to grow the channel. There's my 1-minute video of Bitcoin. How can I help? Oh, look at his fancy hairdo. Look at his fancy... Oh, my God. Look at this. Can anyone even recognize the guy? Look at his hair. His beard's trimmed. His hair's... Bloody hell. Look, there's nothing left. What on earth is going on? That's amazing, Christopher. Yeah, he's a different person, isn't he? He's a different person. He's a different person. You wouldn't even recognize him. Yeah. So I've just posted you the link for that video. I need you to watch it all. Don't watch part of it. Watch it all. Otherwise, you ruin the video. Babyface. Yeah, you ruin the video. It's 1 minute long. Leave a comment. Like it. Yeah. This week is very exciting. We're 300 hours away from becoming a professional monetized channel here on the channel. That's great for me because I will start earning about $1 a day, maybe, with it. I'll tell you what I get. But also, look at ISPC, but also it'll grow the channel. That's the purpose of it. That's why I'm telling you about it. Why it's beneficial to you. ISPC. ISPC. There we go. iSpecimen. What's it doing? I'm just looking at some right. Okay. So it's now moving up. We were down. Whoa, down 20%. Oh, it's gone up 20% this morning. Oh, if we'd bought this one. Oh, who feels bad now? iSpecimen was down 20% this morning. Wow, watch what happens when you get 109,000, 600,000. Watch what happens. Yeah. That's a long way away. Oh, look at that, everybody. It's gone up now 20% this morning. We were told about it when it was down 20%. Oh. Video watched and liked. Thank you, mate. Post your link to your CD. Someone will download it. There he goes. There he goes. Here's the album. Please share it with your friends, family, and influencers. Yeah. Oh, look, I want to just say, everybody, we had this tip this morning from Balassaire. If you took it this morning, you would have made 21% now and rising. You were told, there, this has been halted. Look, this has been halted due to hyping. This is now a hyped stock. This is going to be all over Reddit today and Twitter. Some stock exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted trading of ISPC. This is a hot stock today. So, do you want to buy in now? I mean, 21% up. Will it drop down again? This is going to be a very, very volatile stock now. Okay, it's now being halted. You enter it at your own risk. I'm just letting everybody know there's a high potential for making money. There's a high potential for losing money. I'm just saying. I'm down very slightly on the day, and the reason for that is the biggest problem I have got is Virgin Galactic has pulled everything down. My Tesla is great. My Rivian is great. Up nearly 3%. SPCE is now down nearly 4%, 3 1/3. Look at that. 16.17. I bought 2 shares this morning. I just want to sell those 2 shares. Wow. I bought 32.50. I bought them at 16.29. Wow. In case you've not been following Virgin Galactic, it's literally falling off a cliff. Let me see and it's got nothing to do with the stock at all. It's just there's no news to share. Let me look. I want to make sure there's no breaking news. Virgin Galactic. I want to see. There's no news. Antigua woman among Virgin Galactic's first space tourists. Here we go. Look, there's Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic select astronauts for future flights. See, it's all good news. It's just not news yet. Let me bring this to you. Right. I got some, let me share with you, right? Let me share with you some good news, right? It's all good. It's just now the time to buy very, very cheap stock. Okay, let's have a look at it. This is Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic select astronauts for future flights. This benefits Virgin Galactic as well, guys, all right? Washington, Virgin Galactic has selected the winner of a contest to fly on a future spaceship. This company is not in trouble. This company is not going to lose money. It's just got no great news to share right now other than this. You wait. It could happen in the middle of December, but if it doesn't, it will happen January, February. Virgin Galactic stock is going to be absolutely massive. So there you go. Hopefully you've read something like yourself. Virgin Galactic did not announce when SHAF would fly. When the company announced the competition immediately after July. Yeah, I'll come back to that. But Virgin Galactic has no news at the moment. Musanello's in the house. Hey, here he is. Musanello, everyone's welcoming him in. Good man, our biggest trader. Our most serious trader, the guy who said when Hood hits 38, he's going to buy everybody a hat and a mug. But he's already bought 10, by the way. Let's just get that straight. But poor Musanello right now. Oh, I mean, we're all in on this. We're all waiting for this bounce to come. And it's all going to come when the wallets are released. And I will be one of the first to get one. I keep telling everybody there's over a million people have registered for the wallet, and this is me. This is where I am. I am 4,103, right at the top of the list. And soon as and they're working from the top down testing. When I get one, I guarantee I will be the first to share and tell you. So we're just waiting for that. And when that happens, the shares will go up. I'm very, very, very confident of that. And I will sell when I make a profit. But I missed you guys. We missed you. Yes. Musanello has something to share with us in the group. Let me open this up. Let me open it up in another tab. Let me bring it in. Okay, what have we got? This is about Specimen. You were given the top tip this morning. Announces 21 million private placement. That's what it is. iSpecimen, it's now. Oh, it's gone up 30% today. It's huge stock now to buy into. Let me share it with you guys. Here it is. Here's the announcement. Let me share with you. The trading is now commenced again. I'm not so sure now is the time to buy it. I mean, I'm not a greedy trader, as you know. I just want to make some profit and gone. 30% in one day. I mean, I'm happy with that. I mean, there's more down than there is up now. I think the news for ISPT, the news is yes. I've got the link here. This has just been sent in by Musanello, everybody. iSpecimen announces $21 million private placement. There you go. Lexicon, iSpecimen, in an online marketplace for human biospecimens, today announced that it has entered into a definitive securities purchase agreement for a private placement with 3 accredited investors for the sale of 1,749,999 shares of common stock of iSpecimen, together with warrants to purchase 1,312,500 shares of common stock. There we go. This is the good news that's driving iSpecimen right now. And it's up. It's now up to 20, 30, 35, 36%. Wow. A huge, huge pump. We were told about it. Balasare gave us the tip of the decade this morning. 35% you would have made if you'd bought in on that. Zachary. Hello, mate. Keep going. Zachary is over there on TikTok. Wonderful to have you here. Come into the YouTube link. Zach, come into YouTube. We'd love to have you. The icon is right here. The icon is right behind it. The profile, the YouTube link is right there. Come and join us. Wow, absolutely amazing. Over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. Right, let's have a look. On the day now, I'm down 0.5%, and that is because of... yes, Muzanella is bleeding because of Hood and SPCE. Yeah, I know. iSpecimen, I mean... Do you want to buy it in now? I haven't got any money left anyway. I bought it in too late. I should have listened to Muzanella. Sorry, Balasare first. But it's too late now for me. Too late for me now. Because, I don't know. That's, who knows? It could keep on going all day. Who knows? Who knows? Some of you, is anybody buying into it? Anybody buying into it? Tesla is now up 4%, just dropping back slightly. Rivian, right, today, has Rivian hit a bottom? 52% say no now. This was 78% said no. 70% said no. Now 52% say no. We're starting to believe in Rivian at this price. We know it's expensive. We know it's overpriced. Yes, I get it. But at the end of the day, it's stabilizing. It's stabilizing now, and I think now is a great time to be in. I bought it on the way down. I'm still down 5%. I haven't quite made any money on it yet this time round. Of course, I've traded it 10 times, but I'm now waiting to make money from it. I'm just 5% down. I'm sure it will do that probably in the next couple of weeks. So maybe sooner, who knows. But there we go. That's the result of that. We'll leave that on the screen for a little while longer. If you've not entered into that poll, please do. PTN. PTN, I'm giving a tip for PTN. Let me have a look at it. Open a new link. PTN, this is for Queen of Self-Brailing. Let's bring it in. PTN. Palatine Technologies. I have been buying PTN. It's now running as well. 44% today. Whoa, that's huge. Palatine Technologies, which engages in the development of medicines based on molecules that modulate the activity of the melanocortin and natriuretic peptide receptor systems. Are you having a laugh here this morning? Are you trying to catch me out here this morning? Wow, everybody, look at this one. Up 43%. It's a penny stock, literally. It's 80 cents a share. Shall we have a look at it? You've got to put a lot of money in if you want to make some money. It's 80 cents a share. There we go. Wow, big lift off here this morning. There's a top tip for you. Are you taking it? If you're over there on TikTok, welcome. Need to be here on YouTube. Come and join us on YouTube. Right. For those of you who just joined us, we are closing the Discord WhatsApp group by the end of the day because spam, people coming in and ruining it for everybody. We've now opened the Discord. I'm setting up moderators. It does take a little bit of a hoop to get through. You have to be on it for 10 minutes. I've created a lot of security. I want it to be right. It's a great way for us to share. I'm going to set up all sorts of different channels to talk in. So please go and do that if you want to. I'm very excited about it. This is the Discord channel. It's a great way to promote what we're doing here. Great way to share. And yeah, when you wave at someone, you get those silly little stickers. You don't have to do those. If you don't wave, those stickers don't pop up. But it doesn't have to look like that. I was trying to get rid of it and I couldn't turn it off. So there we go. Palatine now. Palatine just dropping back. ISPC up now 65% today. Because it was, now I say up 65% because it was down 20. So that means it's now, 55% movement today. It's up 35% today, but that's a 55% move from the open. That's a huge lift off. In fact, if I bought in when it was 20% up and I thought that was ridiculous, I would have still made 15%. So it's still going up, guys. I mean, who wants to buy into it now? You're brave. I wouldn't. I've been stung by those things. Not for me. Rivian is up 2.65. SPCE is now looking like a bottom forming, possibly for the day. If you notice, we have a pattern here every day. What happens is every day, Virgin Galactic has these big swings. It goes down and down and down, forms a bottom, and then it starts to recover. It does the same thing every day. So my prediction, and remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't take my word for it. My prediction is it's probably around about its bottom now. And just as I say that, it drops a bit more. But this is what tends to happen. It bottoms out after the sort of first hour and then starts to recover. So I think it might have a little more to go, but I think it'll start to recover soon. And those 2 shares I bought, I will sell those 2 shares and just, make myself a couple of bucks. But, that's what I think is going to happen. GGPI up, but just dropping back. Lucid, all over the place today. Up, down, but currently up 1.33. Robinhood still falling, down 6% today. Robinhood is just falling off a cliff. If we look at it now over the week we're down 5%. Over the month we're down 24%. Over the 3 months we're down 44%. Yep, that's a big drop, right? Who is in Hood other than I know Muzanella? Is Dr. Nathan Smith still in Hood? I can't remember your position now. The title of this video, of course, is Bitcoin. We're waiting for a big push. I still think Bitcoin could make 100,000 by the end of the year. So that's what we're looking for. This is the news. Cryptocurrencies brace for winter. Virtual Adidas. Let me just open that up for you. There we go. Google. There we go. Let me make that a bit bigger. Ecamm. Ecamm is in Hood. There we go. Yeah, a lot of us here are. Right. Now, for those of you that have joined us, let me go back to Rivian in a minute. For those of you that have joined us, and if you are in the United States of America, other influence YouTubers refer programs, but they keep the money for themselves. What I do is I share it because I want you guys to get so much out of this channel. The family, the support, the knowledge, make money, and I give you money, right? So here is my Robinhood referral. If anyone sets up a Robinhood account, okay, I get a free stock, you get a free stock, and I will share with you what I've got and tell you what I've got. If you can use eTORO, eTORO is for the whole world, I think Europe and England as well as America. If you use eTORO, I get a bit of money for when you do it, so I'm going to give you $10 back for doing it. Okay, you can do that. If you want a Webull account, I last week was running a $50 cash giveaway. Unfortunately, I was never able to give that away because I couldn't get 3 people to sign up. But if I get another 2, I will work out another cash competition. So if you click on Weeble, you get stuff, I get stuff, and I will share with you what I get. Lastly is I'm now paying out Balasare. I will send you some money today for your commission from the Ledger. You bought the Ledger. You got one of these on Amazon using my Amazon referral. So I got a small commission. Wasn't much. It was a few bucks. And I'm going to send you 50% of that as well. So there you go. If any of you want to bookmark my Amazon shop link, use this, especially now for Christmas. Whatever you buy through my link costs you absolutely nothing extra. It's exactly the same price. It's Amazon.com. You just go through my referral. What it means is I get a small commission. I can see what it is I've earned. You can message me through here, the Day Trader, the Discord, wherever you like. And then I give you 50% back of what I get. I share with you how much I've got, so you know it's real. There's no scam. I'm supporting and just giving you free money. I'm going to the trouble to do it. I could just keep the money, but I'm not. I want to give you money. I'm very excited about it. Someone suggested that we sell shares in the Day Trader, because if this channel does really, really well and continues growing like it is, some of the big YouTubers, they get like $10,000 a video. And people suggested, could we buy into your show and trade the shares? Well, you can. So we're looking at doing that when we get monetized. It'd be a bit of fun. You could actually buy a share of the Day Trader. We're looking at it. And the other thing as well is, another way to make money is NFTs. Now, I've got some exclusive recordings that I've done when I was World Piano Band with Elton John, so on and so forth, that I'm going to create an NFT, a digital NFT of my music, all right? And I'm going to put it on this app. This app I'm going to share with you right now. It's going to be on OpenSea, and this is it right now. This is my this will soon be my account. This is OpenSea. And you can actually trade NFTs. So I'm going to sell some exclusive music, right, on as NFTs, and you can trade them. You can sell them, and you can actually trade them. People in this platform can actually own pieces of my music and so on and so forth, and trade it. And there are a lot of musicians that have made a lot of money doing that, and people that have traded them have made money. People like to own a piece of real art, real music, real images, and so on and so forth. So there we go. We're going back to Robinhood now. We're talking about Robinhood. Everyone's hurting right now. Big time. Oh, my God. I can't believe how much money I've lost with Robinhood. I have 58 shares of Hood, down $300. I've got 105 company down $700. If you're interested in Coinbase, here is my Coinbase link. There we go. There's a Coinbase link in the chat, and Dr. Nathan Smith is welcome to promote that. Hood is killing me, Crypto Cam. Yes, it is. That and SPCE is bringing my portfolio down. Let's go have a look at SPCE. I said it would drop some more. I thought it might bottom out now, but still going down. Will we go on? Oh, look at this. Under $16 any moment now. Will it go down? We've got 27 likes now, guys. If everyone could smash the like button, let's get to 30. 20 is the average. 50 is the record. I wonder if we can get to 30 likes live on the show right now. Let's see if we can do it. I don't think so, but you never know. Let's have a look. Palatine Technologies, just trading sideways. As ISP continued, 50%. I've missed out on this one. Did anyone buy iSpecimen? Balasare did. He told us this morning when it was 20% down, and I didn't do it. I didn't do it, but there you go. Let me look at the Discord. I've got some communication coming in. Michael Williams has joined. Thank you so much indeed. Wave to Michael Williams. I'll give you a wave. There we go. And who else here? Friends. Pending. Accept. There we go. We got 15 members now. No, we've got 17 members now to the... Oh, that's the first moment now we've seen some resistance to ice specimen. Look. Right, could there be huge sell-offs now? Be careful. This is when it could all tumble back down again. Right, Muzanella. Let's have a look at this. And we'll go back to Hood because this is where it's at. I've never seen this much of a spread between the stock options of Hood. $1 spread between the bits, the bids and the ask. I think that means bids. The bids and the ask. Well, what does that mean? But Muzanella, what does that actually mean for the stock? What do you think? Robinhood now. First turn up this morning. What are we going to see? Gentlemen, please, but the Queen's, buy the Queen some ice specimen. Yeah. Really, look at it, look. There it goes. It dropped. Ice specimen dropped. I said it would eventually. It won't keep going forever. What goes up must come down. Now then, will it go bounce from here and continue, or will we see some sell-offs? I think we'll see some more sell-offs. It's been the fact it was halted. It's now been temporarily halted again. There it goes. There it goes. People are making all sorts. It's on. It'll be all over Reddit. I'm sure it'll be all over Reddit. I'm sure it'll be hyped all over the place. Let me show you that news. Where is it? Yep, it's opened again. It was halted for a moment. It's now trading. People are going to sell it again now. So be careful of it. It's not the way I like to trade. This is a bit like the GameStop situation. It's a bit like the was it AMC? Was it? I got ISP at 13. Ooh, sell it, Balasair. Sell it. Why aren't you selling it? Sell it, for God's sake. Have you sold it yet? What's your position? Let's zoom into Balasair and let's see. Balasair, what are you doing? Are you selling it? What's going on? Oh, it's recovering. Is it going to go up again? Or is it going to drop back off? Be very, very wary of it, guys. Come on. I'd be scared of that one. Yeah. Doug Pham, bought in at 14, cash out at 24. Fantastic. I think that's a great position. That means they believe the stock will recover. Good. Thank you very much. Right, this is interesting news. This is some education now, right? Musanella, who buys lots of contracts and so on. Contract, for those who don't know, is 100 shares, and then you basically buy a contract, a future price of a stock, and you're predicting whether it will go up or down, and so on and so forth. Musanella says, I never seen this much of a spread between the stock options of Hood, $1 spread between the bids and the ask. Never seen this much of a spread. And I asked, what does that mean? And he said, that means they believe the stock will recover. I think that's, to me, obvious that the stock will recover because so many people want the wallet, and they are very, very frustrated with Robinhood taking the time. Personally, I don't. It takes time. I mean, look how long it took me to get my little shop open. I said to you, I'll do it tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow, and it took weeks, didn't it? But I got there in the end. You know, Robinhood are bringing out wallets for millions of people, and you know, it's a serious amount of technology, and they want to get it right. See, iSpecimen now, we've missed the fun and games. We missed it this morning. We were all given the information from Balasar this morning, but I didn't react on it. But there you go. Doug Pham says, I bought in at 14, cashed out at 24. I think that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I mean, you literally timed that perfectly. I mean, literally. It got as high as, where did it get to? It got to 26.50. Hey, who cares? 24, nearly, right at the top. I think you did a great job. Let me show you on the iPhone right now, the app. This is the live position of Bitcoin right now, down in the last hour, 0.5%. Let's go over and show you some more things here. This is my portfolio, down 0.93 on the hour, but down 1.24. And what's killing my portfolio right now is, of course, Virgin Galactic, but that's fine. I'm okay with it. iSpecimen's now dropping back. PTN is now continuing to rise. Tesla's had a great day, just dropping back slightly. Rivian has had a good, but now just dropped. I'm okay with Rivian. ARK, by the way, ARK Invest is up 5% today. PTN now 50% up. Absolutely fantastic, yes. It seems to be holding there as well. Rivian just dropping back now. SPCE still falling. It hasn't hit a bottom. I mean, we're so close now to under $16 a share. Who would have thought when I was at $35 we would be at this level? There we go, $16. Will it hold at 16 or will it go to another new low? Gores Guggenheim dropping back slightly. Lucid now dropping back slightly, but still up 0.44. Robinhood is now down at 6.87. Possibly trading sideways now. Possibly found some support. Who knows? Harpoon Therapeutics still going down. Rolls-Royce down 1.23 today. I've got 400 shares of Rolls-Royce. Let's stick with it. Stick with it. Boeing down 1.86 today. Apple today is up 1.51. Evgo down 6.7% today. I'm down 23% now. Sev is dropped back. I'm down 1.44. All right, this is what's happening with Virgin Galactic. We're getting good news coming out now. Naming pilots. It's all looking good. It's just timing. This is what broke the news this morning. iSpecimen. They've done a deal here. This is what's driving the price. But of course, the Redditors are now over-hyping that news. That's what's happening. That's why it's pumping so much. Ethereum is just down today slightly. Bitcoin is down today slightly. But let's have a look at it on the week. We had some recoveries. We had a nice little recovery yesterday. So we're away from this 54 zone, and we're honing in on the 60,000. Still believe it could hit 100,000 by the end of the year. This is the good news surrounding Bitcoin. This one here. And I think we will go back up again. I'm holding my Bitcoin position. I've traded it lots of times, though. But nevertheless, we're just a little bit lower now on it at the moment. All right. Let's go over to Palatine a minute. It's holding. ISPC. iSpecimen is coming back up again. Rivian is still falling. Virgin Galactic is still above 16. Let's see if we can get any breaking news. Let's have a look on any of these things. I'm gonna look for some breaking news. Let's have a look. Let's see what CNBC television has for me this morning. American Express is my #1 pick. That's from Kramer. Here's how you should play today's market. This is just popped up. Let me have a look at this one. See if you're interested in this. Let me bring it into the...
To you both. Megan, I'll start with you. I mean, it was an ugly day on Friday for the markets, really just across the board. We're starting to see a little bit of a rebound here for the major averages. How do you position yourself as an investor, given the fact that there are so many uncertainties now around this COVID variant, and the market was arguably already looking pretty expensive, at least parts of it, coming into this?
Yeah, absolutely, Morgan. You're totally right. So we've got clearly a much wider range of possible impacts on the economy over the next 3 months. And I think what that does for equities is it really elevates the equity risk premium and means that investors need to be careful about what they're paying for certain stocks. And Friday's action was certainly exacerbated by low liquidity and a lot of people not at their desks in the post-Thanksgiving holiday. But we saw a lot of reopening type of names move markedly lower. The stay-at-home stocks did well, but
this is exactly what I've been saying all morning. The sell-off was due to the COVID variant and the worry, overselling of stocks. Virgin Galactic is maybe starting to recover now at 16.10. We're going sideways. I said it would come. I do believe it will come throughout the day. It does. And people come buying back in again. Just in case you asked to buy the next 10. Hang on a minute. Let me read these. Let me go back here. Congratulations for the guys who bought ISPC. Yeah, indeed. That was Muzanella this morning. Balasair gave us this tip, and it's still going up. I didn't touch it because I don't have any money available right now. And nothing has really made me profits this morning, so I couldn't really do anything with it. So I couldn't do that, but congratulations from Muzanella. I sold my ISPC at 25. I'd rather not say how much I made. You'd rather not say? Why? Was it like $2 or was it $1 million? Oh, go on. Tell us. Just in case you asked to buy the next 10 mugs. What does that mean, Dave? Just in case you're asked to buy the next 10 mugs. Oh, I see. Now I get it. Yeah. Balasair. I get it. Balasair's got to buy the next 10 mugs. Yeah, that's right. I didn't understand where you were going with that for the minute, but now, yeah, I got it. Very, very funny. Yeah, that's right. Buy the next 10 mugs. Penny dropped. Yeah, it took a while. Hey, I'm managing 14 screens here and technology and trying to keep the show going. Blah, blah, blah. Don't give me a hard time. iSpecimen is still going up. Let's go back to this interesting story. It's basically what I've been saying anyway.
But maybe not as well as you'd expect because, as you point out, valuations are already quite elevated for a lot of the tech names. And so going forward over the next few weeks, I think probably the volatility is not over. We are certainly...
Oh, we got a request here. We got a request for a vote. All right, let's do the vote. Let's do a vote here. Hang on, I'm all over the place. Let's end the vote. Right, it's virtually 50-50. 55% say no. That was down from 78 to 70 to 55. Everybody's starting to think that Rivian has now hit a bottom. So let me quickly look at Rivian, and I totally agree. I think Rivian is stabilised now. I think we're going to be okay. I think we're just going to bounce around this figure and go up. I'm still down 6%, but once it starts hitting 120, you'll be start making money again. Right, so we're going to do a vote here now. We're going to end this poll, end the poll, and we're going to do a new one. Sam Laidler, yes, Hood is brutal. Sam Laidler has just joined us. Sam, you'll be interested in this very quickly before we start the poll. We've closed down the WhatsApp group due to spam and people ruining it. Not you guys, but other people ruining it. We've started the Discord group. It takes about 10 minutes to get in, a lot more verification and proof of who you are, but we're going to create moderators to police it. Much better. It's designed to grow. It's designed for this sort of thing. So do go and check out the Discord group. Many of you have joined it this morning. We now have 18 members to the group. This is the Discord. Let me show you quickly. Here we go. Here is the Discord group. Suggestion channel. Tell me what you want to put in, what we should put on the show. So much to do there. I have Discord. Great. Yes, I get a few spam calls from the WhatsApp group. Yes. Awful. Everyone was getting it. So I've sorted it out. I've set up something much better. Right. We're going now into a question. Vote, please. Should I buy PTN since I'm bleeding with Hood and Space? Right. PTN. Should we buy Palatine now? Okay. So here is the poll. This is for the benefit of our biggest trader, Muzanella. Should Moose buy PTN as he's bleeding from Space and Hood? There we go. Ask the community. Ask the community. I've asked the community, and it'll appear any second in the chat. News. Palantir price target raised from $5 to $2. Right. There we go. This is Palantir price target raised from $2 raised to $5. Sorry, from $2 raised to $5 from $2. Okay. And let's have a look at that. There's a link there. We can actually check that out. Well. Oh my God. Palatine. What's my buying power looking like? My buying power, I haven't got any money. I haven't got any money to buy it. There is the vote. Should Moose buy PTN? I'm putting down no. Oh, 75. I went no. Why is it saying 100% yes? I went no. I chose no. That's weird. Oh, there we go. I chose no. I'm the only one by the looks of things. 6,000 plus shares. Oh my God. Hey, Peter Languish is back. There we go. Wonderful. Great stuff. Right, everybody. We got 3 more likes to get and we'll have 30 likes. Everyone smash the like button. Palatine is still rising. Right, okay. Oh, God. I don't like buying it like this. Oh, my God. Ice specimen. Everything's just rising and rising and rising. But fear of missing out. You need to do education, right? Buying in like this now is FOMO. It's classic FOMO. You've watched it all rise. You're thinking everything's great. You're making all this money, and now you're thinking, right, I'm gonna buy. I mean, really? I'm going to sell a bit of Tesla, by the way. Sell Tesla shares. I'm going to sell my 0.729036 of a share. I'm going to sell that. Review that order. There you go. I've just put some money in my buying power. Right. Could you send me your Amazon link as I have an iPad to buy? Hey, nice one. Right. PTN. Should we all buy some? Come on then, everybody. Let's buy some PTN. Buy shares 100, 500. Oh, what do we do? Okay, what the hell? Just to play the game, I said yes. I bought 500. That's I just did it for fun. I did it for fun. All right. Palatine, because of all this news about it, blah blah blah. Anyway, it's bound to go down now, up 50%. Anyway, I just bought some Palatine. All right. How are you, James Whale? I am back. I will do that right now for you, Peter. ISPC. I'm just thinking. Let's see what happens. Rivian. I might. Virgin Galactic as well. Okay. What's my buying power looking like now? I've just made some money on Tesla. I got $402. SPCE, buy shares, $400, 10, 20, 25, whoops, 24, review order, buy, done. I bought 24 shares as well of Virgin Galactic. It's hit the bottom, I think. It's going to start rising up again now. So let's have a look. We've got 24, 20, 26 shares, 16, 15. Right, when that makes sales, when that goes up, I'll make some money. All right? Okay, let's do a few things. We've got some people just coming in that need to have some questions. First of all, Peter Langrish, he wants to get some free money from Amazon. I am now doing Amazon cashback. If you use my Amazon link to go to Amazon and buy anything, okay, the commission I get, I will share with you privately what I get, and I will give you 50% back. So I'm basically a cashback service. There is my Amazon shop. All right, do go and do that. You'll see all the stuff that's in my studio, but you get free money from Amazon. The other day, I think it was something like 4% I've got back from Balassa's ledger. So I earned something like about $3.50, something like that. So we get $1.50 each, something like that. And I'm going to be sending that back to him. So whatever you buy on Amazon, if you use my link, I get small commission. Sometimes it's 1%, sometimes it's 4%. It varies. I will take a screenshot, share with you what I get, and give you 50% back via Apple Pay or Google Pay. The money I get goes into this channel, supports the channel, so you're helping the channel and you're helping yourself because the money comes back to you. So why wouldn't everyone do it? I've no idea. All right. Also, for those of you that have just joined, we've now shut down the WhatsApp group because of people ruining it and getting in and spamming it. Not you guys, but outside. So I've started a Discord group. There is the link. Click on that. It takes a few minutes to set up, about 10 minutes to set up, actually. It's done that way for security, to stop people ruining it. And it's for the benefit of all of you. We've got different channels to share. This is the actual Discord channel. It's great. How many of you joined it now? 16, 17, 18, 19 of you have joined it now. Today, this morning. Absolutely great. Right. I bought 6,000 shares when the vote was 75%. Well, I didn't buy quite as many as that. I bought 500 shares, and of course it's dropping, but that was expected to happen, right? I bought 6,000 shares when vote was 75. Oh dear, 6,000 shares. I bought 500. All right, okay. The vote is 50-50. Look, 55% say no, and I'm one of the no's. And I just bought it. I bought it again for a bit of fun. Sometimes I inject a bit of fun into my trading just for the hell of it. Right, we got 17 likes now. Smash the like button. Let's get to 30 likes. See what we can do there. SPCE. I'm hoping now to make some money. I've got 24, 26 shares. 26 shares. 16.15. There we go. I'm going to make some money now with Virgin Galactic. I just sold one share of Tesla. Sorry, I sold 0.7 whatever it was of Tesla because I'd made a really good profit there this morning. And I'm going to... I've still got 6 shares. It's still 12% of my portfolio. It's absolutely fine. I want to now make some money with... iSpecimen is going up again. Paladin is trading sideways. And SPCE, where the money's coming from, hopefully will pick up. All right. You've all got the Discord. You've all got the Amazon shop. And if you want to get yourself a Christmas present, here is my shop for all the stuff that's the day trader stuff. And I'm doing a Black Monday, I don't know, Blue Wednesday, Turquoise Thursday. I'm doing a discount. Everyone loves discounts in America. It's 10% discount using this code. This code will expire on Friday. I'm giving everyone 10%. There you go. 10% discount, and it ends on Friday. If you're interested in any of the stuff from my shop, here is my wonderful shop. Get yourself a Christmas present. I even do... Look, there's everything. Hats... all these items, by the way, come in every colour. You can get every colour socks with the ML logo on. Look at that. How cool is that? The Day Trader logo. All right. And everybody's mugs have been dispatched, so they're on the way, courtesy of Musanella. He bought 10, and they've all been dispatched now. You are not bleeding like me today. Yeah. Robinhood. Oh, possibly some good news. Going sideways. Come on, Virgin Galactic. Let me sell 28 shares. Let me do it. Let me sell 28 shares this morning. I hold it. I like the news. Yes. Now, I'm down $25, $24. I bought 500 shares in it. I know we all bought it at this pump, but let's have a look at it. Oh, in November, look, it was 35 cents. Yeah. Well, let's see what happens. We need to learn more about it, though. We need to learn more about it. Paladin Technologies. Now we've all invested in it. Let's have a little look at it. Some buying coming into SPCE. Good. I'm going to bring in some news about Paladin. Has anybody else invested in this? Okay, here is the news. Let me share it with you. Okay, this is what we've got. Paladin Technologies stock price surged 33% pre-market despite Lack of news. I got no more money, or I would have invested in it. Let's have a look. Paladin Technologies. Stock price surge 33.7% pre-market despite not making any official announcements today. Today's rally extended the rally in PTN stock for the third day as investors bought its shares. One of the main reasons behind the latest rally could be the recent coverage of the stock from HC Wainwright analyst Joseph Pant-Guinness, who reiterated a buy rating of the stock and raised the price from 2 to 5. The average analyst price target of 45 represents significant potential for Paladin, whose shares price is currently trading below $1. Looking at the company's fundamentals, we find that it had a meeting with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, to outline the phase 3 study of its dry eye treatment, and it is set to start the trial later this quarter. Investors also flock to the company since it's also developing a treatment for COVID-19 based on the positive results from pre-clinical tests on multiple inflammatory disease models and a lung injury model. So there you go. That is Paladin. There you go. I bought 500 shares of it. Right, iSpecimen is just trading sideways now. My portfolio is starting to recover. As you can see, all just dropped back again live, but there we go. But today it's recovering. Tesla is now trading sideways. I took some profit there this morning. Rivian is now moving up. I'm still down though, but the 13 of you voted saying no, Musa should not buy, but 46% say yes. I did. I like a good analyst review like that, so we shall see what happens. Rivian is now doing all right, up 3%. SPCE, it started to recover, but trading sideways. I am in profit. From those 26 shares. 26 shares, 16.15. It's 6 shares times 4. Sorry, 26 times 4. So I've made $1, just over $1 if I sold those now. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. See if we can get a bounce. We normally do. Lucid now is doing very well. Robinhood trading sideways. Could this be resistance today? Could we start to get a bounce today? We certainly hope so. Tyler Rowe, did you sell your hood? No, we've been buying more and more of it. We've been buying the dips. I'm now down 676. I've got 105 shares in it. My biggest position I've ever had in it. Nothing compared to, of course, Muzanella, but nevertheless. Harpoon falling down. Rolls-Royce down 1.23. Boeing is just starting to pick up, but down today. I will keep Rivian, yes. Apple up 1.51. Evgo is just trading sideways. SEV trading sideways now. There we go. Let's look at our crypto. Ethereum is now up 0.66 today. And we're getting a nice little bounce now. There we go. And Bitcoin as well. Let's have a look at it. Bitcoin is now up on the hour 0.16 today. It is down slightly though. There we go. And this was the news for Paladin this morning. I hope you got that. Sorry, there was the news. It was a bit covered up, wasn't it? Queen of Self-Braiding, I will keep Rivian. Wonderful stuff. Right, 28 likes. Thank you very much. Let's just see. I think we're going to end the show in a moment. If we could get 30 likes, then I will end the show. I might even end the show anyway. But if we can get 30 likes, that would be awesome. Are we going to make money today on Paladin? Bought right at the top of here, but we shall see. 29 likes. Oh, look at that. 50 is the all-time record, so I'm very, very happy with that. Oh, 30. Wow. Right. So I'm going to end the show right now. Of course, we are back today for the closing bell. For those of you that follow the show, you will know it's where you are right now. You can go and click right now, upcoming live streams on the channel. I'm going to give out one last final time. Here is the code for the 10% discount for my shop, which ends on Friday. If you want to get a Christmas present at all, that's my Amazon shop, Martyn Lucas. If you want to get free cash back with Amazon, someone just click like and then unliked. This is, hang on, where is it? I'm looking at the wrong thing. Yeah, here's my shop, martynlucas.com/shop. You want that? And I think everyone today has signed up for the Discord channel as well, which is great. And for those of you that are just watching, we are giving cash back away and we are giving free stocks away. For those of you who use my Robinhood referral, you get a free stock, I get a free stock, and I will share with you what I got. Queen of Self Braiding, we are going to feature her, and we're getting a lot more subscribers now. So we're gonna make a point of it. We're not just gonna do it regularly. We're gonna make a point. Queen of Self Braiding, right? You got a lot of subscribers last time. We're gonna do it again because we've got a lot more new people today. What we'll do, we'll feature you this afternoon. This afternoon, we'll feature you, and I'll make you a temporary moderator so you can post your link during the show, and then everyone will subscribe to you. I mean, they do. It will really work for you. So we'll do that this afternoon, all right? And if I forget I've said that, remind me in the chat. You said you'd make me a moderator. I want to be able to post a link, and you will do that this afternoon. If you're in the US or the UK, I give $10 away cash for anyone that sets up an eTORO account. That's in the live chat there. And finally, Weeble here in the US. This one I give cash back as well when you set up an account. All right? I'm doing a competition there where I give money away as well. Right. PTN, sooner or later, they have to go over $1 to stay in compliance. I think you mean. That's right. Palatine. Let's go back to it a minute. Okay. PTN, sooner or later, they have to go over $1 to stay in compliance. I think that's what you mean by that. So we could get this to go over to $1. Yeah. Well, I'm in it now. We've got 31 likes. Great. I want to thank everyone ever so much for being here today. This has been a great show. We've made great numbers. This is a really big week for me this week, and it'll also benefit all of you because we should start seeing the channel accelerate its growth. We are just 300 hours away from becoming a monetized channel, which is great. Hopefully I'll earn $1 a day. That's what it will be, and I'll share with you what it is. But more importantly, YouTube will start suggesting the video more often, so that's very, very good. Anyway, I'm going to leave you all right now. Thank you ever so much for being here. It's tempting to stay, of course, because we're all watching and the hours could keep racking up. But if you want to help me, if you want to help this channel at no cost to yourself whatsoever, I'm going to bring up the end screen right now. Okay, the end camera one. There we go. All right. Just drag the timeline back, mute the channel because you don't want to hear me. Drag it back and let it play through again. That way it'll double the hours of this watch time without me having to do anything and without you having to do anything. So wherever you are right now, if you're able to leave your iPad or your browser open, just scroll it back, just drag the timeline back and let it play through again. Be great. 6,000 shares for Palatine. For Muzanella, absolutely great. Yes, he has some great news here. Take care, guys. You got this. All right, we'll see you all back. We'll see you all back for the closing bell. Let's see what happens today with Muzanella, with Robinhood. Will Robinhood recover today? I say yes, it will. Will SPCE make me some money? Well, it is starting to. Robinhood is now, Virgin Galactic is starting to make some money. Will Peloton keep climbing today? Let's hope so. See you all back later on here on The Day Trader. You've been wonderful. What a family we are. We're here for each other. Take care of yourselves and each other.